Center of Thunderbells, Flo Mondoñedo.
Mondoñedo gets us going. Bang!
Nogales on the over.
So again, the first ball of Creamline,
Mondoñedo.
consistent and loaded serves. Meron dito ang Zeus Thunderbells.
Agang regalo. Inan agad. Ganda ng slide by Santiago. The shot of Arroyo is very much in play. Reached for that time by Iroa, who's panicking because he wasn't
A
able to
little too
hoist it.
short.
Sumisikip yung coverage para makuha nyo. Mas madaling makuha yung third ball.
Parang ang sikip pagka yung third ball na hinahabol. Hello, this has
Drop
worked
shot.
again.
Nogales.
Nogales with their second point.
The difference from both squads, no? Because Mondoñedo, it's really activating her middle attackers as much as she can. Or even sa sakto sa gitna, automatic the middle attackers will go for the quick.
And look at this,
With a
even the
little
net
help from
helping
the net.
along.
3-1.
Parang tennis mag-serve ito, no? May top spin ng konti. Oho, hindi na itaas ni Mondoñedo.
Block.
That high set on the open.
Serving for the Blues.
Good serve.
Overpass.
Oh!
Yes. Regalo.
Ons Regalo.
She's also one of the good servers from Creamline. Ang ganda ng target niya sa lines whenever she goes. Same target.
Yep, Arroyo receiving. Santiago denied by Ferdinand Pons.
Oh, that payong na payong. Tingnan mo naman ang ganda ng touch na yon down the line.
Kahit na walang ulan, basta
4 serving 3. 4 serving 5.
dapat, Bernadette tried to
Nogales on the
pursue.
shoot set.
Corner. How to get out of
Lisa
a hole.
Nogales,
Pagka
serving.
nagkakaproblema na they fall behind, ang bilis din na makarally. Carlos denied, but it is blocked
Hit out.
away and out.
Carlos.
Nice reverse set. Outside.
Outside.
Creamline is up by 2 points. Good serve.
Cargado, one-handed set.
Wow!
Gagate.
Ang hirap naman
One-handed
nun.
set.
And he was still able to set that up. One-handed set straight to Taya Gagate for the quick hit.
Zeus Cough.
That confirms the decision there. Galanza nearly catching it with her face. Santiago, steady arms. Oh!
Through the block, Ceballos.
Ceballos with the
7.
hot hand.
Take a look at that again. Down the line target.
23 out.
Meneses has done this.
Service.
He needs energy for his team. Get the crowd interested. Putting in Eliza Valdez now. Get some points out of the experience of Eliza Valdez. In the meantime, Ceballos shoves it over. Bea de Leon jumps it in.
De Leon.
That was
Yun ang sinasabi ni Jan Nerva, no? Thank you very much, Jan Ahiro, for that update. Oh! Eliza Valdez. Ang linaw eh. Parang, walang traffic. Huwag mo kukontrahin. Biglang magkaka-traffic yan. Mondoñedo. Well done. Well
Arroyo
placed.
over the block.
agad doon sa approach na yon, leaving only one blocker for their open hitter. Kaya ang laki ng opening sa cross court.
Valdez. Lots of heat on that one.
Valdez. Off the hand of Gagat.
We're witnesses to two great cross-court hitters today. Valdez, and earlier today we had
The hit
Bella
out.
Belen, who was proclaimed
Nogales.
and declared as Miss Volleyball. We are the sports writers right here at this venue. In the meantime, here's the shot. Santiago darts away. Mondoñedo. Oh,
Oh,
ganda ng play. Umikot. Valdez high up, and Ceballos catches it. Arroyo. May diin pumalo yung Arroyo. Valdez high up and out. Reached 4 nonetheless. Santiago!
Oh!
Ikot lang.
oo, ang ganda ng connection niya with her spikers.
In the meantime, Tots
Off
Carlos
the hand of Arroyo.
punches that through. Ang diin niya mag-serve.
Oo, ang ganda din ng contact actually
Oo.
ng serve.
Kita, Panaga.
Lahat sila sabay-sabay sumigaw.
For the Thunderbells.
Kakalawin! And Iroa used her senses.
Oh!
And look at Pons. Drill that in.
Over the block.
Good first ball.
Oh!
Gagate. Shoot set.
sa warm-up, ginagawa nila yan. Yung pinapalo ng coach tapos kukunin ng players.
For Zeus Coffee.
Yep. Good time to do it. Nicely done by Aroa. Battle at the net. Ero was sliding into it.
Oh!
Arroyo. Off the block. Yola Ceballos.
Ceballos in the service area. Oh, well done.
Back quick.
Yep.
De Leon.
They're slightly ahead here towards the finish line of the second set. Santiago. Arroyo denied. Recycled offense. Santiago makes it a set. Oh, they're tapping.
Targeting down the line, pero ang taas pa rin ang contact niya.
Substitution. Zeus Coffee.
Having seen some brief action in that first set.
Teo Gagate. Serve.
Uh-oh, this is a free ball. Chance. Doon sa kabila. Ah, well done.
Arroyo. Turn back.
Yeah, De Guzman. But medyo nanggigil din doon si Arroyo kasi
Serving.
Better, sir, we miss you here at the venue. Chloe was sharing that to me during the warm-up. In the meantime, Ceballos, Mondoñedo pushes back the defense, rather. Here comes the strike by Panaga.
Quick attack. Panaga.
3-point advantage at this part of the second set.
Serve.
Their blocking is working well and
Parang nag-zoom yung confidence nila. They've scored the last 3 points.
that's right.
Denied. Valdez wants it. Covered. Mondoñedo. Close shot in play. Carlos. No, they got a break.
Off-speed shot. Carlos.
With this
Service.
group they
Gia,
have here
De
in the
Guzman.
second set. De Guzman serving. Ace. Total of 3 aces for the Cool Smashers. Nadidepensahan na yung palo ng Zeus. Valdez.
Down the line target on top of the blockers.
Nadidepensahan eh.
Service. De Guzman.
De Guzman has been there forever. Good stretch by Pons. Valdez.
Oh! It deserves a second look. Take a look at that.
And Lai coming off the bench here in the second set gives Green Line the second set 25-17.